birthday, Solin. I love you. Happy birthday. Oh, yay. Baby, happy birthday. Punta na ako dyan. Ano tayo? Gusto nyo, happy birthday.
Birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. May you and your family be blessed all throughout the years. Bye.
Hello, little princess baby Solen. Pa-cute no? I'm so happy na 1 years old ka na. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Napakabilis. But yes, I hope sana lumaki ka pang masayang bata. Enjoy mo yung pagkabata mo. At I know naman na magiging masaya ka. I'm so very proud to your parents kasi lagi lang silang nandyan para sa'yo. Alam mo, hindi ganun kadali. Pero they are very strong and you are the reason. I love you so much even though I'm not there. In my heart, behind this place, and sana magkasama ka. Love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Solen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Solen. Happy birthday, Solen.
Happy birthday, Solen.
We wish you more toys to play and more cakes to blow. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday.
What's the name? Baby?
Happy birthday, baby.
Solen Isabel. You say it.
Isabel.
Isabel. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Wow! You show it. Bye!
Hi baby, Solen, happy birthday, happy first birthday. Kapag napanood mo na to, kapag malaki ka na, makikita mo si Ninang girl. Love na love ka namin kahit hindi ka pa namin nakikita kasi ginagawa ka pa lang. Alam na namin na mabubuo ka kasi saka na sila. Alam ba ako mo to, Macy? Ikat mo na lang, be. Hindi. We love you, baby. Ang wish ko sa'yo, lumaki kang mabuting bata. At higit sa lahat, yung may takot sa Diyos. Kasi kapag may takot ka sa Diyos, everything will follow na lang. Yan. Kaya, alam ko naman, lalaki kang mabuting bata kasi mabuting tao yung parents mo. We love you and we miss you.
Hi, baby Solen. Happy first birthday.
Sana ay lumaki ka, may takot sa Diyos at laging sumunod sa mga utos ni Mommy at Daddy.
Stay pretty.
Okay, God bless you, baby. Stay healthy. Ingat kayo lagi. We miss you guys.
Happy first birthday, baby Solen. Ang wish namin sa'yo, baby, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at may takot sa Diyos. Tapos, alam ko naman mangyayari yun kasi mabuting tao yung parents mo. Sana good health ka palagi, kayong lahat dyan. At maging successful. We love you all. Papa
We love
Yung,
you. I miss you, Macy, Papa Yung.
Baby Sulen.
Baby.
Alam kong matalino yan si Baby Sulen. Eh. Mana yan kay Papa Yung ba o kay Sulen? Ay, kay Macy.
Kay Papa Yung yata.
Pero yung kapritihan, kay Macy Lynn naman, be. Pero daig nang madiskarte ang matalino. Eh, both yung pares kay Papa Yung eh. Pero ang friend ko talaga si Macy. Love you, be.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Sulen.
Sulen, happy birthday! Sana lagi kang malusog, lumaking mabait na bata, at may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Sulen.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Sulen! 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, baby Sulen!